Hey, I'm Rob, the NY Drapery Guy, working with the Rollease Acmeda Automate system. So you did a nice Rollease job, you put all your shades up, you program everything perfectly, you leave. A couple weeks later, a month later, you get a call, the shades are screwy, somebody got into the remote and activated the programming mode somehow and messed everything up. Now you got to go back and fix everything, reprogram it. Kind of a pain. There's a way to lock this remote so that doesn't happen. Just take off the back and you see the P2 button. Right next to the P2 button is a little button with a little lock on it. You press and hold that button and you'll see that it's locked. You keep holding it and it's unlocked. So when you want to lock it after you finish, you press and hold it, and now it's locked. Another thing you have to remember, if you do go back to a job, maybe it's a job you did, maybe it's a job you didn't do, and you're trying to get the shades to talk to the remote and they won't take the programming, you have to make sure that the remote is unlocked, or else you're not going to do anything. I'm Rob, the NY Drapery Guy with the Rollease Automate, showing you how to lock and unlock your remote control.